A corridor can be split into several regions. For example, when you want to change the cross-section of your corridor and you want to introduce a different assembly, you may split your corridor into regions, and the separate regions or the different regions will have separate cross-sections. How do you split a corridor into different regions? You can click on the corridor, and up here at the contextual tab, you can see you can add regions, you can split regions. Currently, we only have one region. How do we know that? Let's right click on the corridor and go to corridor properties. Here you can see we have one baseline, BL standing for baseline, and RG standing for region. We have one baseline which has one region. How do we add or split this existing region into more regions? We can do it from the modify region tab, but also we can do it from this properties window. Let me right click, and here you can see you can split regions, or you can remove the existing region, or you can insert a region after a particular region. So currently I want to split the region. Let me split it somewhere here. You can type in the station. For example, let me type in 520. And as you can see, I've split the corridor into these two regions. And different regions can be controlled differently. For example, we can change the properties of this new region, the frequency at which the cross-section is repeated along the baseline. You can set it at 10 if you want to. And here you can apply, and you're prompted to rebuild the corridor. There you go. Let's change this code set style to all codes, and you'll be able to see that change. As you can see here, the frequency of replicating the cross-section geometry is 10 meters. For example, you have this line showing the frequency, and here upstream you can see the frequency was 20 meters. Okay, and you can click on the corridor, and when you right click to corridor properties, when you highlight a particular region, it is also highlighted in the model. For example, let me select the first one. As you can see, that region is highlighted, and you can know which region you're editing. And here at the assembly, you can even change the assembly. If you have a different assembly in your drawing, you can come and select it from here. Currently, we only have one assembly. So that's how to split regions and to leverage them to create different road geometry.